All right, so here's my plant right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this aerator, like they say, and go halfway in between the stem right here and the edge of the rim of the pot. So I'm just going to find the middle ground, place a spike, make a little hole like right there at the aerator. All right, and then I'm going to place a spike in here. And so this, and press it down until it's covered by the soil. I'm going to do one right there. And this right here is about a 10-inch, and it says on the packaging, so 10-inch, I'm supposed to place 5 spikes, and so I'm just going to go find another area halfway in between right here. Go ahead and place another spike. Press it down in there. Find another area. Make a hole. Plus, press another one in there. So I have 2 more spikes that I need to figure out. And one right here. Place another spike. And then 1 more spike. And this should be good for about 30 days. I'm going to place another spike right here. All right, so I have the spikes in there, cover up the holes, and then I'm going to water it. All right, make sure you water it regularly. That's how the plant gets the fertilizer. Let me know if you have any question. That was the unboxing and how to use the Miracle-Gro spikes. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot.